Our latest restoration project. Thought you might like to see this before I do anything. It was built in 1980. It's a Dresda Honda 750. I believe the motor is a K6 and that'll make it a 1976 engine. So it's Dresda framed. It's been standing around for a long time. So you've got a separate oil tank behind here, but it's also a bit of oil in frame there as well. That was Dresda's design. Running an oil cooler up the front. The last time we know it was used was this. It would have been 1996. But as you can see, I think I've got my work cut out on this one. A few bits flapping about, but I think it'll come back together nicely. The last words from the owner was, "I'll see you in 2 years' time." So I'll probably start it in 18 months' time.